My final question, and this is on public demand. So
What is
they came to our meeting and everybody sent, most of them, 90% of them asked one very simple question. They says, life is becoming too stressful. Give us 3 trips to de-stress.
See, you can call it by whatever name you want. You can call it stress, anxiety, madness, misery, call it whatever you want. Essentially, it's a case of your intelligence turning against you. Once your intelligence is turned against you, oh, there is nothing in the universe which can save you, okay? So this is why inner engineering is very important. This means your physiology, your chemistry, your intellect and your emotion all function the way you want. You must take charge of it. If you don't take charge of it, see right now, if my hand, these 2 fingers start poking my eyeballs, what are we supposed to do? We have to restrain it. Restraining it will take away possibilities of my life. I can't use my hands. If you tie it up or if you amputate it to save my eyes, it'll be a tragedy. Right now, this is how we are looking. First thing is, we are thinking stress is normal. Stress is not normal. It is just that you do not know how to manage your own body, your own chemistry, your own thought and emotion. That is stress. Stress is not because of your work. Stress is because you have not learned if you don't learn how to use your fingers, it'll scratch your eyeballs. All right?
Yes.
It's as simple as that. So the stress is not a situation. Stress is a certain incapability that you have created. So as you educate to become an engineer or a doctor or a media person or whatever, similarly you need some little bit of education as to how to be a human being.